Hello traders. I will share a collection of expert advisors that I have. This EA is called Oracle EA Project Algo. Designated for the United States Stock Market Index, US 30, and for gold ounce per US dollar. This EA is claimed to be able to get an estimated profit of 100% in 1 month. For details, watch this video until it's finished and don't skip it. I will explain some things about Oracle EA Project Algo. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel for free and get an expert advisor every time I upload a video for free. Real account profit results. You can see from this information. Trading starts from November 4, 2022 until now on December 30, 2022. EA is still working and actively making profits. Here trading starts from $100,000. Generate a profit of $285,172.87 or about 285% profit within 2 months. We need to know, this EA uses the martingale system. So make sure you use the ideal capital to run it. During these 2 months the total transactions were 13,305. This is a very large number of transactions. This means that this EA has quite high trading activity and in a day there should be transactions that are opened. The ratio is 71% profit and 29% loss. The resulting profit factor is 1.26. As well as an average win of $148 and an average loss of around $250. Summary pair. Pair that best. The first is gold ounce per US dollar and the second is index US 30. For the worst pair is pound sterling to US dollar. This is data for 2 months. Then I will show detailed profit and loss information on an hourly, daily basis. You can see here. I will check the duration of each transaction. The shortest duration is 0 seconds. Including a matter of seconds is quite short. And there is also a daily period of 3 days. For details of income each month you can see here. November gets 79% profit and December gets 115% profit. How Oracle EA Project Algo works. This EA works against the trend. There are also several positions that follow the trend. So there are 2 combinations of open positions that are opened. Besides that, the method used uses martingale accompanied by a capital protection system. I say once again that the martingale system is quite dangerous. Even though it says there is a capital protection system. You have to test this EA for at least 1 week or 1 month or even more. It depends until you are sure. I suggest using a capital of at least $1,000 for a standard account and $1,000 for a cent account. Works best on gold ounce per US dollar pair and US 30 index. You can run on pair IM5 or H1. Or in another time frame. Download Oracle EA Project Algo. You should also use a VPS with the lowest possible latency. To get the best performance while trading. My VPS recommendation has also provided a registration link in the description column. And if you don't have the best broker yet, you can also try the broker from the link that I have provided in the description. To get EA Oracle, all you have to do is visit the website tradea.com and click the download button. Also download the presets. Install MT4 Oracle EA Project Algo. For expert advisor testing, I also installed EA on MT4. The terminal version I'm using is 4.0 build 1361. And the pair I'll be running index US 30 and pair gold ounce per US dollar. I will run this EA on the M1 time frame only. For presets I will use custom presets. Okay. I have successfully run Oracle EA Project Algo. I will see the performance at least after 1 month. Make sure to use money that you are prepared to lose. Do not use money that you are not prepared to lose. Learn first on a demo account or send account until you are sure. I wish you financial success with the expert advisor that I shared. Also watch other videos which are of course interesting about expert advisors. Thank you.